Hello everyone, welcome to lecture series on multiple integral. In our last lecture, we discussed introduction of double integral and one example of it. Now we will see more examples on double integral. So first example is given over here is what? Example, find double integration over R where region is given, that is ordered pair of all xy points such that y varies between x square to square root of x and x is varies between 0 to 1. Okay, for solution, first we describe the region R. So first we know that what is the graph of y is equal to x square. Graph of y is equal to x square is like this. Y is equal to x square, and the graph of y is equal to square root of x is like this. So this is y is equal to square root of x, but we have to find area between these two. So for that, if we define region, so first y is equal to x square, this, and this one is y is equal to square root of x, but our x is varies on between 0 to 1. So suppose this is 0 and this is 1. Okay, so we find area of this region. Okay, so solution, double integration over R. Our function is, sorry, I forgot to write xy dy dx. So xy dy dx is equal to, first we put limit of y-axis. So xy integration dy, limit of y is x square to square root of x, and then put limit of x 0 to 1. Okay, next integrate 0 to 1. We integrate with respect to y, so x is constant and integration of y is y square by 2. Put limit is x square to square root of x dx. Okay, so integration of 0 to 1, put x square first, so x by 2, put y is equal to x square, so if put y is equal to x square, so square root of x, and then square is what? Square and square root get cancels, give x, only x, minus, next put y is equal to x square. So x square and then square is x raised to 4. So x by 2 as it is, and is x raised to 4 dx. So it gives 0 to 1, x square by 2 minus x raised to 5 by 2 dx. So integration of x square is x cube by 3 minus x raised to 6 by 6 and 1 by 2. Limit is 0 to 1. So put first one is 1 by 6 and 1 by 12. When you putting 0, all become 0. Take LCM is 12 and making here 12. Multiply 1 by 2 minus here already 12, so 1. So is equal to 1 by 12. So our answer is 1 by 12. So area of this region is 1 by 12. Okay. Next example. Evaluate double integration of xy dy into dx, where region is given that first quadrant of circle, and equation of this circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So if we describe the region, here radius is A, so and I'm only showing all of you the first quadrant, only first quadrant. So this is what x square plus y square is equal to a square, means first quadrant of circle, and we have to find area of this given region. Okay, here if we describe limit, then limit of x is what? 0 to a. Of x is 0 to a, and if we find limit of y from here is limit of y. So for that, x square is plus y square is equal to a square. So y square is equal to a square minus x square is equal to y is equal to square root of x square minus x square. So limit of y is what? 0 to square root of x square minus x square, a square minus x square. So double integration over r xy dy dx is equal to, first we put limit of y and then x. So function is xy and first we put limit of y. So 0 to square root of x square minus x square, then x. So limit of x is 0 to a. Integrating first here 0 to a. When we are integrating with respect to y, x is constant and integration of y is y square by 2 and limit is 0 to square root of x a square minus x square dx. So is equal to integration of 0 to a, put y is equal to a square minus x square. So here also this square and square root get cancels, so x by 2 is constant and put y is equal to this, so it becomes a square minus x square only. When you put 0, all become 0 into dx is equal to 0 to a, here a square by 2x minus x cube by 2 dx. So integrate this term is s square by 2. Integration of x is x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 is constant and integration of x cube is x raised to 4 by 4 and limit is 0 to a. So put x is equal to a, so s square by 2 as it is. X is equal to a is what? X a square by 2 minus here a raised to 4 by 8. So is equal to a raised to 4 by 4 minus a raised to 4 by 8. So LCM is 8. So 2 a raised to 4 minus a raised to 4 is equal to a raised to 4 by 8. This is the answer. Next example is find double integration over r. Function is x square plus y square dx dy, and the region is triangle whose vertices are 0, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Let us describe region. So for that, axis, and first put 0, 0. Here is 0, 0. Second is 1, 0 and third one is 1, 1. Suppose 1, 1 is here. Make triangle. These equation of this line is y is equal to x, and we have to find area of this region. So first we are described limit, and the limit of x is limit of x is 0 to 1, and limit of y is 0 to y is equal to x. So in between 0 to x. So double integration over r x square plus y square dx dy is equal to x square plus y square. First we put limit of y. So dy integration of 0 to x, and then we integrating with respect to y. So next we put limit 0 to 1. This is limit of x. So first integration 0 to 1. When we are integrating with respect to y, x is constant, so x square constant, and integration of constant is y, plus integration of y square is y cube by 3, and put limit 0 to x dx. So is equal to 0 to 1. Put y is equal to x. So is x square already here and x, so all becomes x cube, plus here x cube by 3, and when you put 0 all become 0 dx. Okay, next we are integrating with respect to x. So for that, integration of x cube is x raised to 4 by 4 plus 1 by 3 constant x cube. Integration of x cube is x raised to 4 by 4. Limit is 0 to 1. So here put x is equal to 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12 is equal to 3. LCM is 12, and here 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 12, and is equal to 1 by 3, which is answer. So area of this region is 1 by. Next example is find area of x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, where b is strictly less than a by double integral. So here is equation, and this equation is describe region ellipse. So in short, we have to find area of ellipse. So for that, first we describe limit of x. So limit of x is 0 to a, and the limit of y is we find from here, so x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 implies that y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. So implies y square is equal to b square into a square minus x square upon a square. Take square root, so implies y is equal to, here is b by a, and square root of x square minus a square minus x square. So limit of y is 0 to b by a square root of x square minus a square. Here this is the limit of only first quadrant, but we have to find area of wall ellipse, right? So for wall ellipse, this is only for first quadrant. There are 4 quadrants, so we have to find integration 4 times. So it means double integration over r dy dx is equal to 4 times function is here 1. First we put limit of y, so dy, and limit is 0 to b by a square root of a square minus x square, and then put limit of x is 0 to a. So is equal to 4 0 to a, integrate this term is what y, and limit, put limit 0 to b by a square root of a square minus x square dx. So is equal to 4 0 to a, put y is equal to this, so b by a square root of a square minus x square. When you put 0, it becomes 0 into dx is equal to 4. So integration of this, but here b by a is constant, so b by a. Integration of square root of a square minus x square is x by 2. Square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, and limit is 0 to a. So is equal to 4 b by a, put x is equal to a, so a by 2. And if you put here x is equal to a, this term will become 0, and 0 into this term is 0, so all become 0, so is 0. So plus a square by 2 and sine inverse, put x is equal to a, so a by here a by a is 1, so 1 is equal to 4 into b by a square by 2 and sine inverse 1 is equal to here 1 a get cancelled and 2. So finally it becomes 2ab sine inverse 1, but the value of sine inverse 1 is what? Pi by 2. So 2ab into pi by 2. 2 get cancelled and pi ab. Pi ab the answer. Thank you.